The BSI Ingenieurgesellschaft has been providing high-quality and reliable consulting services in structural engineering, traffic route planning, structure planning, site management and construction supervision for over 26 years. We work with state-of-the-art design tools and planning technologies. Our tasks are demanding and varied. We support and promote our employees and offer them the opportunity to assume responsibility. In structural engineering, the civil engineer is the overall planner. He or she pens the draft, the design and the idea for the structural system with the associated structure planning. The environmental planning, geological investigations and the noise protection reports are provided by external technical planners if required. Thanks to the pre-qualification of BSI with Deutsche Bahn in the sectors structural engineering and traffic facilities, numerous railway bridges with diverse structural systems have been designed. Already shortly after the establishment of our company, we had been commissioned to plan both Elbe bridges in Meißen, one new and one reconstruction. Those two bridges are still impressive and characterizing the city significantly. We design and plan competitive alternative proposals which offer both constructive and economic benefits, like these slender railway bridges in the form of low-maintenance reinforced concrete frames. Flooding has caused serious damage to the old Flöherbrücke in Leubsdorf in Saxony. With its reconstruction and in order to improve the cramped and confusing traffic routing conditions, the replacement of the adjacent railway bridge, which was just too narrow, had to be realized as well. The complete planning, including the cross-town link, was assigned to BSI on behalf of the Saxon Road Building Administration. As an important part of the flood protection in Leipzig, a flood protection system was built in Knauthain, for which we created the structural design. With this weir, the Elster high tide bed can be flooded to relieve the river Weiße Elster. For the Sächsische Binnenhäfen Oberelbe GmbH, BSI designed as the general planner a factory workshop building with a container forecourt and the access road. The Walzengießerei Coswig GmbH planned to expand its production capacity with a new production facility. The realization, including planning and construction, had to be done in only 12 months. We were pleased to be able to successfully carry out the planning of the construction work for the owner. Our structural inspectors carry out regular bridge inspections, as can be seen here at the cable-stayed bridge in Niederwalta. For the cable testing itself, we work together with Alpine Technik Leipzig. We are successfully as structural engineers in building construction as well. Working in a team with architects and building technicians is a great challenge and an enrichment at the same time. Close to Dresden city center, two very interesting buildings were raised. For inner city planning, attention needs to be given to the limited space available, and construction and logistics have to be coordinated accordingly. This was particularly the case at Neue Grünstraße in Berlin, where BSI formed part of a larger team of specialists. By building information modeling, a new method for structural design was used. This technology allows reducing planning complexity by optimizing the collaboration of all planners involved. All building trades work coordinatedly on one central intelligent building model. As a young team, BSI offers interesting and attractive jobs based on state-of-the-art technologies in project planning and design. With our predominantly regional projects, we are pleased to be able to offer a family-friendly perspective for young engineers, technicians and draftsmen.